Oh, haven't been out here to pick up eggs for the last day, so let's see how many eggs it gives us. Oops. So cool. Alright, so we always end up with fake ones. But there's 3 over here. Wow. This one's fresh. I could still feel it a little warm. This one's a fake one. Look at all these. 2, 4, 6, 7, 10 already. Wow. 11, 12, 13, 14. These girls are cranking it. Got some coming over here to maybe lay as well. So, sheesh. I guess that's the excitement of not collecting for a couple of days. You get a whole bunch of eggs to collect. Show you guys this in a second. Look at her. She's like, what are you doing with our eggs? Sir, what are you doing with our eggs? She's like, I want to go broody, but you keep taking my eggs. Alright, y'all. Let's see. I'm going to put all these fake eggs back. And let's give y'all a look at what we got today. Wow. Those pink ones.